Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know we've been on a bit of a Star Wars X-Wing kick here on the channel, and today, it's no exception. Today we've got the Guardians of the Republic Squadron pack. The clones have now entered my force, okay? I will be honest, out of all the Star Wars timeline, the Clone Wars is my favorite, because it's like the most mysterious, it's, you know, the Jedi at their highest, the clone troopers and all the weird stuff going on, the galaxy at war. It's just, yes, I'm embracing my geekdom and I don't care. And yeah, forgive the sun and the weird lighting, but still. I like the fact they give you a great starter pack with the Delta 7, you know, whatever, the Jedi ship, and two V-19 Torrent starfighters. So let's open this up, take a look, because this is kind of like an unboxing and a first impression all at the same time. I know, we've seen a review on that one. I can't tell you how excited I am to bring clone forces to my, my fleets. Like I said, I die hard on them. Die hard, die hard, die hard. Now, the box itself, it's going to run you about $50 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below, alright? I like that. They give you pretty much all you need to get up and get going, but I always worry, like, when something's not in the right spot. The best part about these with the pre-painted miniatures is, well, number one, you don't have to paint them, but number two, they did a really, really good job on these guys. Like, if you've ever done hero clicks, you know those things look like, your little child got a hold of some watercolors and just splashed them all over your model? But look at that. It's got really, really great detail on there. Oh my god, that's just beautiful in itself. I love the fact, because they have that little wing underneath, they have the little hook on the back so you can attach it. And here is the Jedi Starfighter. That is just, oh my god, that's so cool. Seriously. But okay, it doesn't just come with those. It comes with everything you need to get them up and get them running in your fleet. So, now we have an empty box. But we've got a little bit more to take a look at. They give you your bases and like the little tabs you need in order to connect the little maneuver wheels. Oh, look at that. So they discovered an error late in the process and they made a correction, which I think is really, really cool. And these things, oh, the cards are really, really, really important. Oh, well, look at that. Additional rules, which are always cool. And this is what I think is pretty freaking awesome. Okay, you see up here with these guys, they give you multiple options so you can swap out whoever you want to put in there. Like for the Jedi and that Starfighter, you can fly Obi-Wan Kenobi, Plo Koon, Sassy Tin? I don't know, I don't remember that. And Mace Windu. But for the clone troopers, you can go with Oddball, which he only appeared once in the movies, and I believe that was 6, when Obi-Wan and Anakin were coming into, Coruscant to, get in the battle and go after everything, and they talked to Oddball, but I know he made appearances in the Clone Wars cartoons. You can have Kickback, Axe, Swoop, or Tucker. Now, the other thing I think is neat is, you see the numbers? Basically, when you're getting a large fleet together, you're going to have to separate what ship is which. And I love the fact that they give you the little numbers there. And no, I'm not going to break all the cardboard down right in front of you. Like I said, it's an unboxing and initial impression, which I think is totally cool. But what the heck? Okay, so I've got 3 starfighters. Okay, there is a third. Sorry, I only saw 2 there right in the beginning. Oh man, this stuff is so cool. Yeah, you're gonna see a video coming up real soon about like my whole fleet. But like I said, it's just a quick unboxing and first impressions of these guys. This stuff is awesome. Now, what I like the most is there's only really one way you can assemble them. You really, truly can't screw it up. Well, you could snap the bases and everything else. But I'm going to show you this real quick. On the little plastic plates there, See that little arrow? That's your front arc. So basically everything is going that way. So when you set it up, that's your front firing arc. That's going to be facing to the front. Now these little pins in here, there's really only one way they can go together. So they make it really, really easy for you. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. I hope you can see that. Oops, sorry. Let me bring it back over here. There's a slot on that pin. So they only will go together one way. And when you fit your ship, get in there. Find the hole, Chris. Shut up, all you perverts. See, it only sits in there one way. So, I don't know. I just love it. I'm happy to have clones in the fleet. But we are at that important part of the video. Like I said, it's just a quick unboxing and first impressions. Oh, no. Sorry. Let's look at some cards. That's, I don't know. Sometimes that's like my favorite part of it, but still. The Obi-Wan. Mace. And I love how they have little things underneath, like Plo Koon is a serene, mentor. Obi-Wan's a guardian of the Republic. Mace Windu's a harsh traditionalist. The Saesee-Tiin is a prophetic pilot. And you have just like your average Jedi Knight. But I also like the fact that, look at that, underneath, Oddball, the CC2237, his clone number. Kickback is blue 4, Axe is blue 2, Swoop is blue 6. I don't know, these things are just... Tucker is blue 5. Or you have like a typical little Gold Squadron trooper. And what I like is they give you like the pre-set up stuff that you can do. So basically you just pull your cards out, you're ready to go. Now, the one thing I didn't like about this, as opposed to like Star Wars Armada, on Armada, everything has a point thing. So does X-Wing. So on Armada, the points are on the cards. X-Wing, they're not. You have to download an app in order to set up your fleet and everything else. I didn't like that originally because I'm like, I don't want to use an app. I just want to sit down the old-fashioned way, the geek way, with paper and pen, and yeah, let's get this thing going. But still, I mean, I don't know. Battle meditation. This is just so cool to me. It really, truly is, seeing how one of the very first movies I ever saw on the big screen was Star Wars, way back when it came out. Yeah, I'm dating myself, so shit it. But still, now we're at that fun part of the video for me. I just wanted to take a look at those cards real quick and everything else. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. Do you play Star Wars X-Wing? Are you into the Clone Forces? Do you use these guys? I mean, I'd like to know. I'd like your feedback, right down below. I know I'm going to get heckled for this, but I don't care. I embrace my geekdom, and I have a lot of fun with it. I really, really, truly do. Now, we're not going to go through the usual little YouTube-y things at the end, guys. Or we're just not. The channel symbol is going to pop up. Go click on it, subscribe. You're going to see the videos pop up. I'm going to say it like this. Thanks for coming along on this interesting ride and me sharing my love of tabletop wargaming and Star Wars with you guys. It matters a lot to me that you guys are watching this video, so I thank you for it. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day. I'll see all of you in our very next video.